Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a sticking door handle on 140 Mercedes. This sticking problem can appear on any door handle, whether it's front or rear. So what is the issue? The issue is you want to open the door unlatches, but the handle stays sticking like this. And if you don't put it back in the place, the door will just bounce off. And yeah, many people think that this issue cannot be fixed, and then the door handle needs to be replaced. So today I'm going to show you how to replace it. Sorry for misleading information. I'm not going to show you how to replace it. I'm going to show you how to repair it. So to repair it, first of all, you need to remove this cap which protects this bolt. In some cases there will be a Phillips screw, in some cases it will be a Torx screw. So all you do is just unbolt this bolt and be very careful not to drop it inside the door jamb down there. So yeah, bolt is successfully removed, and now we just do this manipulation. We just push the handle forward and then pull it outside, and basically that's it. The door handle has been removed. And what causes this problem? As you can see, there's a pin inside, and you see on that chrome there's a lot of dirt. In this gap between the handle mechanism and the handle body, let's say that, the dirt gets inside there, and it just blocks this reverse movement. And yeah, this is the only issue. Now I'm going to show you how to disassemble it. So my method of disassembling it is just to take something that's a bit smaller than this diameter, this pin, and just put something under with hollow hole so it can be pushed out, and yeah, just smack it out. There's not any catch to do this. So as you can see, this is what the pin looks like. Looks like this. It's like folded metal, and yeah, it just came out. I needed to use some pliers to pull it out, but yeah, now the door handle has been split in half, and as you can see, yeah, it splits in half. But this was the first pin. Now I see that there's another pin. I totally forgot about it, but it removes in the same way. You just push it out. So yeah, this is the second pin, and it is removed, and now you can I will try to do it with one hand, but yeah, you need to pull this thing off the handle and it will just fall apart. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This seal goes first in here, and then this thing attaches like this to here, and yeah, that's the whole assembly. And now the handle can be split apart. So yeah, so as you can see, these are all the parts that are holding the handle together. Two pins, this thing, this black seal, and the handle is split apart. So explaining the issue, as you can see, this part has a tight fit in here between these holes, and yeah, it just gets dirty, and that's why it gets stuck. Also, you want to maybe grease something in here, but I don't see any point. I have tried to grease them, I have tried to not grease them, and I didn't see any difference. So, but to be fair, I just want to clean them so they look better. Maybe you want to grease this part a bit because it is sliding somewhere in this hole, just to make it easier. So yeah, now let's get to the cleaning. So for cleaning purposes, you can try to wash them with soap, with WD-40. You can use some sandpaper if you will, but I have found out that brake cleaner and this Scotch-Brite just works fine. So this is what it looks like after cleaning. As you can see, there is no more dirt. This is just a quick fix. There is no more dirt on the mating surfaces. This thing is clean too. I just sprayed it with some brake cleaner, as I said. So yeah, sometimes you need to watch what's happening in this hole, because as you can see, the chrome bubbles up with time, and I have seen cases when this hole is so bubbled up that basically the handle needs to be replaced, because it's just blocking the movement of this part of the handle. And yeah If anyone is interested, you can disassemble it even further. As I will show you here, there are these Phillips bolts. If you unbolt them, and one in here, you can separate this plastic from this chrome if you want to really restore it. So yeah, sometimes these plastics are very tired, like mine, which has some fading, and yeah, maybe you want to repaint them. And yeah, I cleaned this part as well, and this part too. So now the assembly time. So first of all, you insert this part, and as you can see, you will feel that it is moving a lot smoother without any resistance in it. After you install this part, you install this rubber part. While handle is in this position, then you just like close it, and then you add this part. Once this part is secured, you can now start to install the pins back in their places. So the first pin is installed. You just need to make sure that it is not protruding out, so that it does not block this fucking shaking hands, so it does not block this hole and it moves freely like this. So the same goes with the second pin. You just push it back inside, make sure it is like symmetrical on both sides, and make sure the handle moves freely, which it does. So yeah, basically that's the repair. Now you just install this rubber piece back in its places. As you can see, there are slots and these dots where this rubber piece sits on, and then back to the car. So this is how the seal should sit on. There are slots here and slots here. This rubber seal needs to be under these tabs, and yeah, you need to line up all these dots. So yeah, we are now ready to install it back in the car. While you are in there, you can disassemble this lock mechanism too. It is held in with some small Torx heads, and you can just take it out. You can make it even very good. You can basically restore this handle if it has no physical or many rust damage. So putting it back in the car, what do you need to do is you need to align this pin with this. I will try to zoom in with this. Yeah, you just like align them. Yeah, you just insert it in with this closed position. You insert it in this hole. Try not to scratch up your car, and then you need to like hold it towards the front of the car, and a bit of manipulation here and there. Yes, and that's it. Yeah, I'm stupid. You don't need to close the door. Now I cannot open it. So yeah, it is installed. You can like test it. If you feel the resistance and the bounce back, it means it is latched to this main mechanism and you are ready to go. As you can see, the seal is fitting very good, and all you need to do is just to screw back this bolt. Once again, while installing this bolt, try not to drop it inside the door jamb. So yeah, you just tighten it. You will feel that it catches the threads. Don't be like me, don't drop tools on the ground. You just tighten it, and you add this cap, let's call it that way, and that's it. The door is fixed. As you can see, door handle bounces back. Remove your trash from the door sill, and voila, the door is fixed. No more sticking handles. Simple as that. This fix cost me like 30 minutes, and basically it's for free.